Hello Team TFT, welcome back to another daily market outlook video. We've got a doozy of one today with all this news coming up this morning. We jump over here onto the economic calendar. We can see here we are expecting CPI from the GBP pair coming later on in the next 3 hours. In the next 3 hours, and then obviously moving through the night into the late London session, late New York session, we obviously have all of this FOMC news, which will be quite volatile. So obviously, not expecting great trading opportunities today, obviously based on the fact that the market is going to be just in brace formation waiting for that news to come out. So we'll just jump in and see what's happened over yesterday's price action. So we can see here, down here on the 4 hour, we literally just went up yesterday. So there's the close of the Asian range there. We literally just pumped up, came back down and consolidated on top of the Asian range there. If we look to the left, we can see here we've come up just above this what would have been supply area here. So taking liquidity off the top of there up to this previous sort of impulse candle and down into this impulse candle. And if we draw in just in here, we can see a little bit of 1 hourly imbalance through there, which we can see we tapped into there just perfectly, got that rejection and now pulling down. Obviously 1 hour imbalance is not going to be tremendously strong. So again, a lot of this price action today, I assume for the New York is going to be very tame, just sort of consolidated, maybe engineering some liquidity for what could be the showstopper once that FOMC news comes out. So as for today, there's no point in me really giving you much of a bias at all, because I could be 100% right. I could be completely wrong. And it would ultimately at this stage just be a guess. So we're best off just leaving it as is, just have a bit of a look, see where we're at. And then, just wait and see what the market brings us. From a 4 hourly point of view, we can see here we've ultimately come down, swept liquidity lows down into this, what was, I think, a weekly supply area in this candle here. So we can see we've pulled down, filled into this weekly supply area here, tapped and come back. Now, if we measure this overall move from here down to here, we can see we've come back straight up into that perfect 618,702 area, which is perfect for, if this is a retrace to then fall back from, or in the other way, we can see this pull back here over this move. So if we were to take this and measure it up to here, we can see we've come down very, very close to that 618 area again. So we could even see from the weekly point of view, a continuation higher. So obviously this being the, we see this impulse up, taking out liquidity areas and breaking weekly structures, pulling back down, finding support lower here in this higher time frame area. And then we see this pullback, finds support there, and then pushes up higher. So again, there's a couple of different areas there that we could be looking at here on the weekly. So yeah, basically I would say we should get a bit of bias today as to which way we are going to go, based on the news coming out of the FOMC. So over here on the euro, we are pretty well the same thing, just reverse. So again, here's that weekly chart. We can see here that pull back, taking out liquidity highs through there, pulled back down, failed to break that high, but tapping into that last candle there, weekly candle, and then starting to pull back down again. Now we can see here, I'm sure if we draw them fibs on there again, we can see we're coming back down into those perfect areas around that 618,702 area for that bounce. And then obviously in the same direction, again, the other way, we can see here, perfect retrace right back to the 786, and then could be looking to go short from here. So then we get this little rebound here and then go short from there. So again, from a weekly point of view, we're kind of in the middle. We could go either way, and I feel like today is going to be the day that gives us that input. Again, if the FOMC comes out and they do not pause rates like it is 95% expected to, that's going to cause a huge shakeup in the market and be more than likely bearish for the DXY. Interest rate increases are usually bullish for the Dixie. But yeah, when the market is so strong on a pause, I don't know how that's going to react. But yeah, all we can do is really just wait and see. And GBP, we'll jump over to the GBP pair. So obviously from the weekly point of view, again, we're pulling up, we've had this pull back and now we're pushing back up again. Similar-ish to the Euro and the Dixie, but again, we haven't broken all of those resistance areas as on this pullback. We can see we've taken one out through here, but obviously still holding this second one, so it is staying a little bit more bullish than the Euro pair, and we are sort of pushing up higher up into those areas. Here, very consolidated weekly. We've pulled up now, taken out that weekly high, now pulling back down. We've now successfully filled this, what was weekly imbalance in here. Right here, we filled this weekly imbalance. So taking that away and pull back down into that supply area there where that consolidated candle is, and then obviously taking off. So we could see that again, we could see that rejection coming out, moving higher from here. Or again, failing that, we could actually see what is in a lot of consolidated areas where we have consolidation on the low and on the high side. We can also see obviously a sweep of liquidity on the high side to then continue down and aim for liquidity on the low side. And then looking lower down here, it's all relatively balanced price action there. We go down to the daily. We can see a little bit of imbalance here like this, which we could be coming down to hunt for if we do continue lower. So yeah, from a high time frame point of view, definitely probably need a little bit more confirmation, which I'm guessing is going to be coming tonight. So again, guys, if you guys are going to trade, again, manage your risks accordingly. I, however, will be sitting this one out and seeing what's happening and looking for, again, possible trades tomorrow after the news today to see what comes out of it. But anyway, guys, thank you very much again for jumping on today, and I'll see you again on tomorrow's Daily Market Outlook video. Thank you. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.